Hello viewers, hope everyone is well. Today's video I will show you how to set up boot menu and install Windows in ASRock H110M Motherboard. So stay tuned. For boot menu we will press F11 for boot menu. After coming the boot menu we will select pen drive. If your hard disk partition style is GPT and BIOS setup is uefi, you will select uefi pen drive. And if you are using legacy BIOS setup and your hard disk or SSD partition style is MBR, then you will select legacy pen drive or normal pen drive. My SSD partition style is MBR, so I will select legacy pen drive only. After coming this, press enter and next, install now, click check mark, next, install, and here you see two storage, one is hard drive and second is SSD. This one is SSD, so you will also delete reserve recovery system. So I will delete SSD partition, formatting SSD, which automatically create. After doing that, select SSD and next. After restarting the PC, you will remove the pen drive from PC because I don't know which one is first boot priority. For that, you must need to remove the pen drive from PC. Okay. Next, also next, and you always try to remove the internet connection from PC when installing Windows. Setup for personal use and OK. Click offline and limited connection, put in a username and next, no need to set password and next, okay. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you have benefited from this video, please don't forget to subscribe this channel. Thank you.